Hey everybody, welcome back to Fish with Me today. Today we're back out here on the lake, my favorite lake. I've told y'all it's my favorite lake, but I haven't really told you much about it. Um, this lake is pretty much like a big bowl. There's not a lot of contours, plenty of grass, and plenty of pressure. So we had a little trouble this morning. My Ford Explorer broke down in the parking lot. So I was like, what the heck am I gonna do? I ended up calling my dad, and he's got a trailer hitch on his van, so he came and bailed me out and got me out the jam. So now we're out here fishing, and first spot, this man hooks into a nice 4-pounder. There he is, guys. First fish of the day. Can't complain about that. We're gonna keep grinding and we'll update you later. Alright guys, we just hooked up with fish number 2 here. This one came on a good old Cinco. Not quite as big as the first one. This one's about 3.5, but still a nice fish. Got lots of wind here and a front moving in, so hopefully get a couple bites before that gets too bad. Alright guys, we just hooked up with fish number 3. Dad pulled another one. Nice 4-pounder. This one's probably 4 plus right here. This is a nice fish. Same deal, just slow dragging and hopping that soft plastic through the grass, and well, bam. These fish are post-spawn. This fish has already dropped eggs. It looks like there's a tiny little bit lingering around in the sack there, but we're catching these big females on their way back out from spawning. So, gonna keep grinding. Alright guys, we just hooked up with keeper number 4 right here. Smallest one of the day, but still a decent fish. Straight post spawn. Obviously with that skinny belly there. These fish are feeding up, ready to move back out. It's gonna jump, I bet. Alright guys, there's the limit right there. 2-pounder, not a bad fish. We're definitely getting it done today. Super happy with the day, and we will give you an update later. Alright guys, just hooked up with a nice chain pickerel here. Looks like about a 2.5-pounder or something. I did catch one little dink that didn't make the video, a little pipsqueak, but bite's been pretty good. Can't complain. We got about 16 pounds and a nice pick. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up today for the video. What a day. What a day. 16 pounds of bass, one short one nice little 2-pound, 2.5 pickerel. They wouldn't hit anything moving today. When I left the house, the barometer was stable. I think it's been dropping throughout the day though. But nothing moving, no top waters, nothing like that.